Hey everyone, today we're giving you a closer look at the Tusk Carburetor Mid Body Gasket Kit. This is going to be for the Keihin FCR flat slide carburetors, and you can find these on dirt bikes and ATVs that are for competition use before they had fuel injection on them. So with that being said, typical symptoms of a mid body with bad gaskets is going to be a bike that doesn't idle, or you're trying to jet it and change out the pilot jet and it doesn't make any changes at all. That's two common signs of these gaskets going bad in there. And back in the day, you used to have to buy a complete carburetor. You weren't able to replace those parts, but luckily now we have rebuild kits like this, so it makes it affordable and you're going to get your bike fixed up. Now, with that being said, with these bikes being a little bit older now, if you're just going in to do a carb clean, I recommend installing one of these as well, and that way you ensure that everything runs right when you're done. And if you're not familiar with what comes in these kits, you've got the main gasket right here that goes around the perimeter, one right in the middle, you've got the 4 O-rings, the 2 square ones, and then it also comes with the hardware to reassemble this. And the reason for that is, again, the manufacturer did not want you or intend for you to disassemble that mid body. So they have tamper-proof screws, and there is a possibility that they could be damaged on removal. So we've got you covered. The kit comes with the new screws. You should be good to go there. It's pretty simple to install. We've got a separate video that guides you through that process. We also have carb cleaning videos if you need that. So while you're there, might as well subscribe to our channel. And if you need this kit or anything else for your carb, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.